Hello friend, today I have come my pigeon cages. You know, this place is I train the pigeon. So you can see this is my all pigeons, and I have to train now. So you can see how am I training the pigeon. Lots of people ask how do you train the pigeon. So now I want to show you that how am I training the pigeon. You can see there my pigeon, and I will call them Arabic language. It's mean you can say ta'bi. It's mean come because I taught them Arabic language. They don't know English language and Hindi language, and my owner told me that we have to teach only Arabic language. So I have taught them Arabic language. That's why they know Arabic language. So now I'm going to start training the pigeon. So you can see ta 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 bi, bi. See now, and they are 12 pigeons, and I have to train the pigeon together. Ta ta bi 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 bi. Now I'm training, and they are flying on the sky. So I will show you also. Okay, so right now you can see my all pigeon are flying on the cages. See how they are flying, and it is morning time. Weather is so pleasant, weather is so normal, you can say, and winter season going on. So I always train the pigeon only winter season, and and sky is blue and green little bit and white. So when I train the pigeon, so my all pigeon, they get so happy. You see, when I call them, definitely they listen to me, and they will come to me just ta 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 be ta 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 ta. See, I call them. It means come. They listen to me, and then they are sitting on the cages. You can see. See. So I have called them, and now you can say they they have come they have come back. Now see, and one pigeon they are flying so well. Okay, and then this pigeon price of, if I say no, so Indian rupees, so this pigeon price is 1 lakh rupees, only one pigeon. Nobody will believe in me, because I know very well I'm also Indian. So I know very well when I came in this place first time. So I also didn't know anything. So after that, my friend told me, my owner told me that, Israel, do you know how much price this pigeon? So I said to him, no, sir, I don't know. After that, he told me that. After that, I understood. Oh my God, the pigeon are very expensive in the Kuwait. Yes. Ta B. See B. And this is a small grown. You can see this is a small grain. Okay, when I call the pigeon, I throw grain in front of them. After that, they see, and after see, they come to they come to slowly. Okay, and after calling, I start training the pigeon. So Friend, if I say about Kuwait, you can see where am I standing. It is totally a secluded area, and I had passion to learn English. So I have learned English and I am learning English. Lots of people say no, I don't have environment. How can I learn English? They excuse it a lot. I don't have environment. How can learning? How should I start learning English? No, friend, it is totally wrong. If you have passion to do something in your life, anything, then you can learn anything and you can do anything in your life. Okay, no one can stop you. Okay, so see where I'm living, and I don't have environment. When I started learning English, so I did not have environment. Okay, but I had passion to learn. That's why I learned. So that's why I'm saying you. Okay, don't try to excuse don't try to excuse yourself that I don't have environment. I want to learn this language. I don't have environment. How can I learn? How should I start? First of all, you should learn grammar. Okay, because grammar is important. To speak English, to think in English. You should learn all tenses like present, past, future. After that, definitely the we will you will able to make sentence. Okay, this is my, you can see, a small cages, and I put one pigeon into the cages here. See, because see, he is very clever. He is very clever, and he does not listen to me, friend. You see, okay, he is brown color. Okay, so when I call him, so he does not listen to me. After that, I get angry. After that, my coach told me, you should not train this pigeon, because the pigeon this pigeon is very clever. That's why I did not train the pigeon, and every day I don't train the pigeon. So you see, he is very clever. Okay, always he wants to eat. When I throw the grain, first he comes. After that, he eat grain. Okay, so when I train him, so he does not listen to me. So that's why I don't train. He's very clever. Okay, but he looks like so good. See, and this pigeon is very expensive, right? And this is my stick. This is my stick. And I train the pigeon by a stick. You can see, like this, like this, like this. Okay, I pick up a stick. After that, I train the pigeon by a stick. So this is my owl pigeon. You can say this is my owl pigeon, and there are 12 cages. There are 12 cages, and if I say about pigeons, so there are lots of people, lots of pigeon into the cage, in the cages. Okay, so I think there are 200 pigeon into the cage. This is a one, 2, 3, we can say 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there are 12 cages. Okay, and and pigeon are all in the cages. And if I if when my Kuwaiti comes, after that he says to me, you train the pigeon, then I come to this place. After that, I train the pigeon every day. And actually, pigeon are trained in winter season. So winter season, I don't have enough time to learn English. I don't have enough time to to do something, because I also work. So when I get up in the morning time, so I work. Okay, so I'm going to down right now, and it's, you see, it is totally sand. It is totally, you can say, sand. Okay, that's why I'm saying it is totally secluded area. You see, The way I am speaking English, you can't believe me, friends. That how did I learning? How did I learning this? And how I learned English? Being a secluded area. You can see. I did not have environment. I just told you, and still I don't have environment. Okay, it is totally deserted area. You can see I am alone here. I'm living lonely, and I have friends, but my friends are living far from my you can say room. So I can't meet in the morning time, afternoon time, evening time. So I go to meet my friend at night time. I don't go to the every day because I don't have enough time, because I have to cook. I have to make breakfast myself. I have to cook myself. I have to cook food myself, and I have to make dinner. I have to make dinner myself. So don't have lots of time. And being a working person, you know very well that if you are living anywhere, and if you have left in your house. So where are you living doesn't matter. You are living abroad, you are living Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata. If you are working person, so definitely you have to cook yourself. So yeah, friend, and can say I have showed you lots of things. Okay. And you can observe that how am I speaking English. And if you want to learn anything, find and if you want to learn this language, if you have a strong goal, if you have dedication, if you have punctuality, if you have uh, a strong goal. Okay, if you have determination, if you have determination, okay, and destination. So definitely, friend, I can say one thing, that no one can stop you. You can learn very easily. First of all, you have to make yourself strong. First of all, you have to do only one thing, that you have to make yourself strong. Then you can do anything. You can do. You are a human being. You can do anything. You don't say, I can't work this like. No, I can say you can do. You can do, because you are a human being. You can do. Okay, friends. So thank you so much. Okay, so I don't say anything. Please subscribe my channel, and what if you like my video, so definitely you can like and subscribe. Okay, thank you.